Before you begin adding items to your inventory in Carillon, you will first need to set up the location or locations where your inventory is stored. Today I'm going to demonstrate how simple yet thorough this process is. A location is a place where inventory is stored. If you keep inventory at a place you have already set up an address for, you will still need to create a location in order to assign inventory to that place. To create or edit a location, go to Maintenance, Place Maintenance, Location Maintenance. Carillon allows you to set a default company ID. However, if you do not have this set up, just double-click on the Company ID box and choose your company. To create a new location, leave the Location ID box blank. If you want to edit an existing location, double-click and choose the location. The ability to have multiple branches per company is a feature Carillon has that many other ERP systems do not. If you've set up branch accounting when you set up your company, each location must be tied to a branch. We will go over how to set up commissions and price files in separate videos. Carillon allows you to designate a pick ticket printer path for each location so that every time you process a sales order, it will print out to inform the designated warehouse of the order. To set this up, simply double-click on the box and choose which printer you want to assign to this location. The Texas DPS certificate box is an example of how Carillon can be customized to suit all of your organization's needs. It is a rather unique feature that was created for a specific client that is required to report information to the state. This feature allows them to enter the information directly on Carillon to be relayed to the state rather than entering it on a separate website. In addition to a mailing address, you need to enter a physical address. If this is the same or similar to your mailing address, you can save time by choosing to copy the mailing address. The Jurisdiction tab is just one of several ways to do sales tax in Carillon. If you're using the DPC subscription service available, the tax jurisdictions will be applied automatically. If you are not using this subscription service, you will enter the sales tax jurisdictions that apply to this location. Typically, if will call sales can occur at this location, meaning the buyer is going to pick up the item, or if it is a front counter sale that occurred at the location, you would charge sales tax based on the location's address. If you're shipping items from this location, you would likely charge sales tax based on the ship to location. The Purchasing tab allows you to set up a default buyer for this location, if you have one. To assign a default buyer, you must first add the buyer as a contact under Contact Maintenance. After doing this, you will be able to choose the default buyer from your list of contacts. ATS stands for Available to Sell. In this tab, you will add this location if items are available to be sold from this location. And that's how simple it is to create and edit locations in Carillon. When you have complete, just exit out and choose to save. Now you're ready to begin adding inventory to your locations. For more information, please visit our website, CarillonERP.com.